Hello, in this video I'm going to show you one of the best apps you can find online. Don't take my word for it, keep on watching.
Quovo Review and Demo, Affiliate Marketing Programs for Beginners 2021. Affiliate and Digital Marketing Training. First ever, software-assisted training to take you from beginner to advanced, along with SEO training from an industry expert. With Quovo's perpetual training, you will always have the latest strategies and methods. Your training will never end for as long as you are a member. Keyword Research Suite powered by SEMrush. Quovo gives you an entire suite of powerful keyword and niche research tools built right in. You're no longer stuck having to buy separate, outdated subpar research tools. SEMrush provides you with the most reliable search data available that is both recent and accurate. You'll see how easy it is to discover untapped markets and the keywords that drive commissions. Complete domain and site setup automation. No more technical barriers to hold you back. With Quovo's innovative marketing automation, complicated things like domain registration, DNS setup, installing WordPress are done for you in just a few clicks. Easily monetize any WordPress or WooCommerce theme in minutes. Quovo includes 7 methods of monetization, with more being added all the time. Easily monetize WordPress or WooCommerce themes with top-selling products from some of the biggest online retailers and affiliate networks. Create your own funnels with the Point and Click Funnel Builder. Discover how to create profitable marketing funnels with this easy-to-use Point and Click Funnel Builder, loaded with a variety of customizable templates. Integrated with all of the most popular payment options. Domain Manager. The Domain Manager keeps all of your domains conveniently organized in one place so that you can instantly see their status at a glance. You can also perform various domain functions. Click the Learn More link to see a complete list of what you can do here. Website Manager. All of your websites are conveniently listed, with one-click access to your WordPress admin if needed. You can also create perfectly SEO silo websites instantly with Quovo's Silo Creation feature. Save all your favorite plugins to Quovo to have them immediately installed and activated on site setup or as needed. Need to build a site in a hurry? Use the Quick Setup feature to have sites created in seconds. You can see the full features list when you click the Learn More link. Server Manager. You can host your website for free with Quovo's WordPress hosting, or you can easily add multiple VPS servers to host your own money sites, while still maintaining all of Quovo's amazing marketing and management features. Project Manager. The Project Manager keeps domains, main, secondary, supporting keywords and content synced. You can sync multiple domains, keywords, and websites to any one project. This makes it super easy to create perfect SEO silo structured sites in seconds, ready to have content and monetization added, using Quovo's powerful features. Create and manage content. Quovo gives you a few easy ways to get great content for your money sites, without needing to write a single word yourself. Unless, of course, you want to. You'll discover how to create your own SEO and visitor optimized, engaging content, or you can use any of Quovo's integrated third-party content providers. Compare to other affiliate platforms. It's easy for you to see who the clear leader is in affiliate marketing and management platforms. Corey says, affiliate marketing training that's actually up to date with real software that actually works. IMO, this is so much better than WA, or anything else I have seen for that matter. Eddie says, a must to keep the control I need managing a fleet of money and buffer sites. It's streamlined, easy to use, and I know where it's all at, freeing my mind to focus on strategy and ROI. Rahul says, thanks for this, Joe. Almost everything I need for my affiliate business is here. To be fair, nothing existing could include all I use, but this is closest. It's great alongside Sanook. Here's what you get the instant you join Quovo. Pause the video for a closer look. Look at how much you save with Quovo compared to buying affiliate training and essential tools individually. Pause the video for a closer look. Now you can get all the vital affiliate training and apps you need in one simple, powerful dashboard. Whether you're an experienced digital entrepreneur in need of a better way to run and manage your affiliate business more efficiently, or a new aspiring affiliate in search of the best way to get started, Quovo's hybrid affiliate marketing engine is the perfect choice for you. Be on your way to earning your own daily commissions. And you can test all that 100% risk-free. If, for any reason, you find that it isn't right for you, you can get a full refund anytime within the first 30 days after your purchase. Do you want to be able to go on an exotic vacation and not worry about paying for it? You can do this by working online with Quovo affiliate marketing programs. All the information is accessible in just a few clicks of your mouse, so start now. Click the Learn More link near this video to access Quovo affiliate marketing programs for beginners 2021.
I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.